In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to zip and unzip files on a Mac. So here we are in my Finder, and as you can see, I have a folder right here that I'm going to zip or compress and show you exactly how to do that. So what you want to do is find the folder that you want to compress or turn into a zip file, and you want to right-click on that folder and then go to compress, and then it'll say whatever the name of that folder is. So go ahead and click on compress. It'll take a few seconds to a few minutes depending on the size of the folder. And now as you can see, here is our zip file. As you can see, it is a .zip file. Now, if you download a file from the internet and it is in a zip file format, it's as easy as just double clicking on the zip file. So you can just double click and then it will unzip. And as you can see, there's the folder that came from the compressed file. Another way is just right-clicking on the zip file, going to open, and it will do the same exact thing. I'll have a pinned comment down below with some frequently asked questions if you're running into issues. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.